Hi, I'm Alex, and today I'm making an Australian-themed jungle bird. The jungle bird is made from rum, Campari, pineapple, lime, and simple syrup. To give this an Australian twist, I'm going to be using this Tamborine Mountain Distillery Pineapple Rum. It's from Queensland in Australia. And instead of Campari, which comes from Italy, I'm also going to use from Tamborine Mountain Distillery this Quandong Gentian Bitters. It's the same gentian root flavour that you get in Campari, so this acts similar but different. It's got a bit of the Quandong flavour in there as well. I actually really like this. It's quite nice, so just on its own, pick this up. It's worth a go. Even though I'm using both of these things from Tamborine Mountain Distillery, this one's not a paid review. I bought both of these myself with my own money, and I think this little guy comes out at $45 and this one at $55. So you can find that on their website. So for the rest of it, I'm using pineapple juice, freshly squeezed. I'm going to use lime juice, freshly squeezed. Get onto that in a second. And the other one is simple syrup, but because I love pineapple so much, I've actually made a syrup from the rind of this pineapple. So let's build the drink. So I'm going to start by juicing a lime. So with our lime juiced, that's half an ounce. My pineapple infused syrup, also half an ounce of that. Pineapple juice, 2 ounces. Just going to give this a bit of shake. It's got a lot of stuff because it's basically just a hardcore blended pineapple. So 2 ounces of pineapple juice. I really like pineapple. Oops, a little bit extra. Totally fine. Now we want 3/4 of our red bitters. This is the Quandong. I like this. It smells really nice. It's a good smell. All right, 3/4 of this. And then 1.5 of the pineapple rum. Pineapple. One and a half. Almost out. Then we add a whole lot of ice, give it a shake, and pour it into a cup. So I'm going big chunky ice today because that's what I have. All right. Oh, nice and clear. Ooh. I'm going to make those smaller just by shaking the living daylights out of this. And then we just shake the heck out of it. Now I just shake the heck out of it, try and break up the ice and give it dilution. There we go, just shook the living hell out of it. It's nice and frothy. And then we just pour it into a big cup. We'll see how we go with the big chunky ice. Yeah, it's breaking down a bit. Oh, look at that. So there we go, that's an Australian themed jungle bird. Let's give it a taste and see how it is. That's really nice. Really taste the Quandong out of that. It's probably my favourite part of this. That's good. I love pineapple. I love the Quandong. The rum doesn't really say a lot. It's not a huge flavour in this. It's very, very easy to drink. It's got a little bit of the bitterness from the gentian root in there. All comes together very nice. Would I make it again? Yes. So there we go. If you like that, chuck us a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Catcha!